Hello, this is Cardi Cartoons, and today I'm going to be drawing Sonic the Hedgehog. I'm choosing Sonic the Hedgehog specifically because I always thought this character design was very cool, especially for the time. I still like his design now because it's essentially the same design, but the same doesn't say for his video games though. Man, I still like his video games, but I guess some people have their different opinions on their games, on his games, especially nowadays. And today I'm going to be drawing him, at least from memory. Okay, I'm going to start off with the head. That's his square head. Gonna draw his body. Now looks like his socks. I'm drawing this all from memory, so if I get a certain character design wrong, then let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna draw his shoes. Then going to draw his arms. Yeah, pencil kind of broke there. I kind of have like the worst sharpener in the world. Pencil keeps breaking. Yep. It's all part of the experience. I'll get my pencils broken. Draw his ears. I'm going to draw his back spikes, or spikes on his head. Then I'm going to draw his eyes. Then I'm going to draw his nose. Maybe I shrink his head a little bit. Well, I need to change his nose a little bit because he's probably looking at us right now. So I guess nose might go right here. And that's how I draw Sonic the Hedgehog. It looks like a combination of both classes of game art and design, which I like, which was mostly in Sonic Adventure. While it was transitioning to modern Sonic, you can see that. Okay, I'm finished.